Painting could actually be your secret weapon to working through creative blocks, and I'm going to show you how. Did you know that most artists and creatives experience creative block at some point or another in their journey? So if you've ever felt stuck in a creative process, you're definitely not alone. Think about it. When was the last time you faced a creative wall? Today we are diving into a super important topic for all you artists out there while trying to stay motivated in your creative processes, even when you hit that dreaded creative block. It's totally normal to feel stuck sometimes, but I promise you there are ways around. So let's chat about how to keep your creativity flowing. So feeling stuck with a creative process can be very frustrating and disheartening, especially if you do this for a living and you have deadlines to make. But even if you're just painting for fun, being creatively stuck is disheartening as well. The key is to understand how you can push through them in the first place. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to work around creative blocks and keep your paintbrush moving. So number 1, first up, remember why you started painting in the first place. Is it the feeling the paint has on the page? Is it that moment you picked up a brush for the first time and the colors blended together and it was your favorite color and the paint was just perfect? Was it the joy of creating something out of nothing? Whatever it is, hold on to that reason because that is your creative fuel for later. The second thing is to set small and achievable goals for your practice. Sometimes the thought of finishing a project can seem just too overwhelming that you pack it up, and you put it away and you don't think about it again. And years later, you open a box and go, oh yes, that project. Tell yourself, today I am going to paint for 10 minutes. I'm just going to sketch for 10 minutes. I'm going to work for 5 minutes, whatever the case might be, whatever you find achievable in that moment. Set yourself a target and do that. Break it down into small pieces and that will build momentum and to help you keep going. Just remember, each small step is progress. No matter how small, it's something to celebrate. So number 3, surround yourself with inspiration. Find books, visit an art gallery, take a walk, do the things that give you inspiration because you'll need that too. Seeing works of others or scrolling through Pinterest can open up a world of possibilities and ideas that you didn't think were possible. I'm feeling stuck, I open Pinterest and I scroll through Pinterest or I take a walk. That helps me get my creative energy back. So what's your fuel for creativity? Number 4, embrace the process, not the outcome. It's very easy when you're working on a painting or an artwork to get wrapped up in that line didn't work, or oh, there's a splotch, or oh, that color's wrong. And you get so worked up in how you think it's not working that you forget the process. Just remember, it's just paint, it's just pencil. It can be erased, it can be fixed, it can be painted over. You can start again if you really want to, but it's the process and the journey that get you to the end result. And when you're enjoying the act of making art in the first place and painting, it feels like less of a chore and you enjoy the process and it makes the end result seem a lot more pleasurable. So remember, art is about the journey, not the destination. Number 5, connect with a community that enjoy the same things. Being part of a supportive group of artists or creatives is something that we all need. It gives us encouragement, it gives us feedback, and it helps lift our spirits when we feel like a process is not working out. Sometimes just knowing that others are going through the same thing is enough. So whether it's in person or online, finding a community can help lift you up when you're feeling down, and also celebrate your successes with you. So there you have it, 5 simple motivations to keep that paintbrush moving when you feel stuck. Push through those tough times and remember to keep on creating and keep on painting because the joy is in the process, not the destination. The final product is just a piece of beauty. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Do comment your ideas down below. I'd love to hear how you go through creative blocks. Subscribe for more art tips and inspiration just like this one, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.